So if I could just start by asking you your first and last name, and if you could spell that for me as well, please.
Yeah. My name is Judith Virag, Judith, and the last name is Virag.
Okay, and what company do you represent, Judith?
I represent Harding's Cleaning.
Excellent. So tell me a little bit about why the Chamber has helped you as a person, but also helped your business.
I really enjoy the Chamber events. For me, they're a great networking opportunity, obviously. And then I also attend the CEO mentoring program, which has taken me to the next level. So if anybody's wondering if you're doing things right, you're never doing things right. But you come into this group and they help you to understand how to run your business better, how to be a better leader. You discuss anything from really small issues to really large issues. And it's really good to have the sounding board, a safe place where you can discuss these and learn and grow as a leader. So I really, really enjoy it, and it helped me a lot.
Fantastic.